trust the right thing done for the wrong reason. The why of the thing, that's the foundation.
And the foundation's solid. We farmers, we sit here every year when the rains fail, and we say, next year. And next year ain't gonna save us nor one after that. This world's a treasure, Donald. It's been telling us to leave it for a while now. Mankind was born on Earth. It was never meant to die here.
But maybe we've spent too long trying to figure all this out with theory.
You're a scientist, Bran.
So listen to me. When I say that love isn't something we invented, it's observable and powerful. It has to mean something.
Love has meaning, yes. Social utility, social bonding, child rearing.
across the universe to someone I haven't seen in a decade, who I know is probably dead. Love is the one thing we're capable of perceiving that transcends dimensions of time and space.